I've got a phone holster that's hard to open, so I'm going to fix it with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out here with my backpack and this phone holster, which is really hard to use. Let me show you why. All right, I do like this thing because it sits on the outside of my backpack and I can just grab it here and shows my support of our heroes. I love them. And this is a nice little holster, but one of the things that they've got here to accommodate different sizes, I don't think it's Velcro. I think they call it hook and loop for legal reasons, and a big, huge patch right there. But when I close that up, now to open this up, I mean, the thing will pick up my whole laptop and you just have to pull and pull on it, and I'm really weak. It can take me 10-15 minutes to get that open. I really only need, like, I don't know, an inch of Velcro down here. So I'm going to fix it with this. And this is just some generic hook and loop. And what it is it's the hard side, because this is the soft, fuzzy side. And I'm just going to actually put this on here and cut a couple strips so that I only have maybe an inch showing right there, so that it's not going to hold as hard. I don't really need it to stand up to like abuse. I just bring it to work and take it home. And then I can cut this right here, and you can see the back of it is just that hard nylon or whatever it is. It feels like plastic, but it's not going to attach there. So I'm going to do that, and then we will see if I can actually open this up or if I'm going to have to start working out, which we all know I'm not going to do. All right, the surgery's complete. You can see I've got 2 strips there that covers all the fuzzy side of it there. I'm just going to go ahead and close this net. Oh yeah. Oh, that feels so good. And now can I open it and take a big breath here? Hopefully I can. Look at that. Look at that. Just a little bit of Velcro holding it closed there. So getting that open now is going to be so much easier. Simple little life hack. You can pick this up for a few bucks if you want to make your Velcro a little bit easier. Or hook and loop. Sorry, not Velcro. Put a link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda out.